Hello again. Now with the Instant Nursery Manager there is an inbuilt feature. If we go here to Financial, for example, Easy Accounts, it will ask you for your owner password. Now in this window you can record all your outgoings, any bills that you have to pay, etc. So that at the end of the year you'll be able to click a button and give a report to your accountant to show them all your outgoings. For example, look, I can simply click on add a payment here. We'll say it's going to be £50. We'll say it was check and who it was to. We'll say it was Tesco supermarket. What was it for? Well, it was going to be for groceries. Okay, finished here. So here you can see now, look, we've recorded that outgoing there now. If you want to add another one, this time we'll say it was £100 and it was card, and who it was to, we'll say local newspaper. What was it for? We'll say it was advertising. So you can see you can gradually build up a list of all your outgoings. And it's quite a simple matter then. At the end of the year, all you have to do is to simply click on one of these lists here, and you will have a list of all your outgoings to give to your accountant at the end of your financial year. By clicking on these buttons here, for example, you could build up your own list of frequently used suppliers. Simply by just clicking on there, and we'll add a new one to the list. We'll call it Blogged Garage. Okay, and you can do the same look for the categories of the supplies. For example, we've already got a car repairs in there, so we wouldn't need that. Okay, so when you come to add your payment now, look, there's your Blogged Garage. Okay, and what was it for? It was for car repairs. You could put a note against it if you want to, you don't have to. So you could gradually build up your list here of outgoings, and it does mean then at the end of your financial year, or whenever really, you can simply enter your 2 dates there, and you'll be able to click on all types. You'll be able to have a single list if need be, or you could have a list that's grouped by the different suppliers. For example, you've got advertising there, car repairs, groceries, etc. If you want to make a change to that, you could just focus there on it, then edit the payment, and you can make changes to that. To add another payment, simply click on this icon here. You can either print the list, or if you wanted to, you could export this list into an Excel spreadsheet, and then you could email that spreadsheet to your accountant if need be. You don't have to use these lists here. For example, if you're adding a payment, £10, you can type in there who to, or the name of the supplier, and what it was for, or whatever it is you want to say there. Okay, finished here. But of course it is better if you've got frequently used suppliers to add them to your list here, so that they become part of your lookups. You can enter your financial year end here. Okay, and then from then onwards the system will automatically calculate all your outgoings based on your year end. But at any time though, you can enable the dates, and you can bring out the information for any chosen period. You will see a running total down the bottom here, and if ever you want to filter on a particular supplier, for example, if I focus on advertising now, you'll see the grand total of the advertising you've spent so far. Another useful feature is, look, for example, let's just click on add a payment here. We'll say £50 and we'll say it was cash, and we'll say that was to petty cash. So what we've done there, look, we've paid cash to the petty cash. So what you can do now, you'll be able to go back to your easy account. This time choose your petty cash, and you could use top up there, for example. So you put your £50 in. So we've topped it up with £50 now, and from now onwards, look, you can add payments to the petty cash. So you can say £10, who it was to, cost cutter, and you'll gradually build up a list of your petty cash, and you'll have a running balance down the bottom here telling you how much money you should have in your petty cash. And it does mean at the end of the year you can just click on this icon here and print off the list to give to your accountant, or once again export it into an Excel spreadsheet and email it to your accountant. So thank you for watching this quick video.